Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics. First, focus on understanding core concepts thoroughly. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp the underlying principles. Break down complex topics into smaller, manageable parts to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Establish a consistent study schedule, perhaps dedicating 45 minutes daily to build a strong foundation. This approach ensures you truly comprehend the material, making problem-solving much easier later on. Next, consistent practice is key. Dedicate time each day to solving a variety of numerical problems. This helps solidify your understanding and improves your application skills. Work through past exam papers to familiarize yourself with common question patterns and time management. Crucially, review all your incorrect answers. Understanding where you went wrong is a powerful learning tool, preventing similar errors in the future and boosting your confidence. Regular revision is essential for retaining information. Make sure to revisit all chapters and key formulas frequently, perhaps weekly. Try to connect physics concepts to real-world examples. This makes the subject more engaging and easier to remember. When studying, always draw clear, labeled diagrams to visualize complex processes and systems. Visual aids can significantly enhance your comprehension and recall, especially for topics like optics or electricity. Finally, consider forming study groups with peers to discuss challenging topics and clarify doubts. Sometimes, explaining a concept to someone else is the best way to truly understand it yourself. Don't hesitate to utilize online resources like educational videos or interactive simulations for additional explanations and perspectives. And for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals linked in the description below. These tools can provide valuable support on your physics journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.